Okay, we have little Lulu here. Hi, little Lulu. You want to say hello to Aunt Sue? Come on. Come on, be a good girl. Good girl. How about doing a little rollover for us? Huh? There you go. I see your belly. I see your belly, girl. Come on back. That's good girl. You're cute. How about a little hello for Aunt Sue? No? You being stubborn? I don't like that, Lulu. Come on, let's have a little audible. Don't make me start slapping you. No? Okay. She doesn't want to talk to you, Sue. Sorry. All right. Gotta get off my knees. Oh, Pat's coming in to make her talk. No, we don't want her to purr. We want her to go meow. Come on. Oh, okay. Time for a lick. She doesn't want to talk. All right, over and out. Say goodbye, Lulu.
Bye, Lulu.
Bye, Lulu.